Legacy systems that ran your business reliably for years today need the agility, security, and intelligence to unlock the AI potential for innovation and growth. This means shifting your IT budget and team effort from legacy maintenance to true AI transformation. Cognizant presents AI-first legacy modernization that reimagines legacy systems using GenAI, repeatable solutions, and a future-ready architecture to boost agility, cut costs, and accelerate innovation. This approach drives higher productivity, faster delivery. We bring together an ecosystem of hyperscalers, technology, and AI providers. Our proven model de-risks your transformation journey. Through hyper-personalized pods, we accelerate delivery and improve customer experiences at scale. Our human plus AI approach decodes legacy systems at a depth that wasn't possible before. Accurate business rule extraction makes buried logic clear and usable again. Our AI-powered platforms rebuild core systems faster, smarter, and ready for what's next. We leverage SkyGrade for rapid modernization of cloud-native applications and FlowSource to accelerate full-stack engineering with AI. Simultaneously, Cognizant Neuro industrializes your AI delivery, while Ignition automates your data modernization, ensuring you're ready for what's next. Parallel runs and full traceability keep operations stable as systems evolve. If you're ready to reimagine what your legacy systems can do, let's take the next step. Connect with Cognizant. Build with intuition.